Can I remove my fingerprint from my iPhone 11?
Welcome to today's video where we will discuss the process of removing a fingerprint from your iPhone 11. Many users often wonder whether it is possible to delete their stored fingerprints from their device. In this video, we will provide a step-by-step guide on how to remove a fingerprint from an iPhone 11. Transition to the next section.
Why would you want to remove a fingerprint?
Before we dive into the instructions, let's quickly address why someone might want to remove a fingerprint from their iPhone 11. There can be various reasons for this. 1. Privacy concerns. If you no longer want your fingerprint stored on your device for privacy reasons, removing it is a good option. 2. Security. If you suspect that someone unauthorized has gained access to your device or your fingerprint, removing it can help prevent unauthorized access. 3. Changing fingerprints. If you have added a new fingerprint and want to replace an old one, removing the outdated fingerprint is necessary. Transition to the next section.
Step-by-step guide to remove a fingerprint.
Here's a simple step-by-step guide to remove a fingerprint from your iPhone 11 to 1. Open Settings. Locate and tap on the Settings app on your iPhone 11's home screen. It is represented by a gear icon. 2. Touch ID and Passcode. Scroll down in the Settings menu and tap on Touch ID and Passcode. You will be prompted to enter your passcode to proceed. 3. Fingerprint Management. In the Touch ID and Passcode settings, you will find a list of fingerprints registered on your iPhone 11 under the Fingerprints section. 4. Select Fingerprint. Tap on the fingerprint you wish to remove from the list. This will open the settings for that specific fingerprint. 5. Delete Fingerprint. At the bottom of the Fingerprint Settings page, you will see the option to Delete Fingerprint. Tap on this option. 6. Confirm Removal. A confirmation prompt will appear, asking you to confirm the deletion of the selected fingerprint. Tap Delete to proceed. 7. Repeat if necessary. If you have multiple fingerprints to remove, repeat steps 4 to 6 for each fingerprint you want to delete. Transition to the next section. Removing a fingerprint from your iPhone 11 is a straightforward process. By following the step-by-step guide we provided, you can easily delete any stored fingerprint from your device. Whether you want to prioritize privacy, enhance security, or make changes to your registered fingerprints, this process allows you to manage your device's biometric data efficiently. Closing shot of an iPhone 11 with a thumb pressing on the screen.